Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'd like to tell you the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears and the Three Bears Jewelry Studio. Now, Goldilocks was out wandering through the woods when she stumbled across the Three Bears cabin, and she wandered into their jewelry studio, and there she found Baby Bear's bezel mandrel, but it was just too small. So she wandered on over to the next bench and she found Mama Bear's ring mandrel, and it was a little bit too small as well. And then she went over to Papa Bear's bench and found the bracelet mandrel, and it was just too big. So Goldilocks thought, what am I going to do when I need that in-between size? So she wandered over to Baby Bear's toolbox, which was really his toy chest, and she found this, a Teeball Bat. Now, Teeball bats are great. If you cut off the handle, the material that they're made from, which is aluminum, it's thick enough that you can actually wrap on it pretty hard and not deform it and not break it. And you can buy these for under $50 depending on where you shop, and you'll have that perfect Goldilocks size that will give you diameters that are just not possible with other mandrels that you would find from commercial jewelry supply companies. I hope you like this tip. Be sure to check out the Online Jewelry Academy for all of our videos. And remember, you can help support the Online Jewelry Academy by taking one of our courses on udemy.com, or buying some of our merchandise, or just going to patreon.com and making a contribution. Thanks for watching.